Today we're going to be transplanting this tree. Now my mom wanted to keep this tree here, but because we are going to be using fruit trees now, she wants this one gone. So instead of just burning it, we are going to be transplanting. So that's what we are going to be doing today. So during the digging process, I found that there's actually a tarp underneath all of this dirt. So it was kind of a blessing and a curse at the same time because the tree grew through the tarp. But what's nice about it is it collected all the dirt. So it was kind of easy getting the dirt out. But at the same time, it's entangled in the tree roots. So we kind of have to deal with that. So I had to cut this piece of wire. It kept the tree straight, but after cutting it, I can actually move the tree freely now. After lifting up the tarp, we actually can see two main roots, so I'm just clearing out the dirt so we can cut it. During the digging process, I found this huge earthworm. Be great worm for fishing. So we finally got the main root cut. While cutting this, my phone actually overheated, and after pulling it, the phone died. So I had to go back inside, cool it off, and there's the tree. Okay, so we found our new spot for the tree. I already pre-digged the hole. I'm actually just going to make more room for it, for the root systems, as you see here. Now the roots were entangled in between the tarp, so let's get rid of that. And just like that, it's a perfect fit. We're going to throw some rocks down on the roots so they keep the tree standing up straight. And then we're going to fill up the hole with the remaining dirt, and I have a 2x4 just to keep it up straight because it is kind of windy. And of course, always re-water your transplanted plants so they survive when you transplant them.